Think all mirrorless cameras are created equal? That's like saying all coffee tastes the same. Sure, they might look similar at first glance, but the magic is in the details. In 2025, mirrorless cameras are more powerful, portable, and creator-friendly than ever before. Whether you're a beginner picking up your first camera, a vlogger trying to level up your content, or a pro shooter chasing high-speed sports moments, there's a perfect fit waiting for you. And today, we're counting down the best mirrorless cameras you can get your hands on right now. You're watching Camera Search, the place where camera talk isn't just for tech nerds. We keep things real, beginner-friendly, and always rooted in hands-on experience. So grab a snack, because we're diving deep into the top 8 mirrorless cameras of 2025 and which one's right for your style. Let's kick things off with a camera that's basically speed incarnate, the Sony A9 III. This is the Usain Bolt of cameras, 120 frames per second in full-resolution RAW. Yeah, you heard that right. No JPEG downgrade, no fancy tricks. Full RAW at 120 frames per second. This is thanks to Sony's groundbreaking global shutter technology, which eliminates the dreaded rolling shutter effect and even lets you sync flash at any shutter speed. That means you can freeze action better than ever, even in bright daylight using flash. Whether you're shooting Olympic-level athletes or wild eagles mid-flight, this camera isn't going to miss a beat. Now, it's not perfect. The base ISO starts at 250, which makes it a little more sensitive to noise in low light. And yes, it's on the pricey side, but this is a camera built for professionals who live on the edge of action. If that's you, the A9 III might just be your next obsession. Now, swinging to the other end of the spectrum, let's talk about the Canon EOS R100, a mirrorless camera made for people just starting their photography journey. If you've only shot on a phone, this is the kind of upgrade that opens up a whole new world. It's compact, it's intuitive, and it comes with guided menus that teach you what each mode does in plain English. Think of it as the photography teacher you never had. The sensor is solid, producing crisp 24.1 MP images, and it's incredibly portable, perfect for everyday adventures. The downsides? No touchscreen, and its 4K video mode comes with a pretty heavy crop. But let's be honest, if you're just starting out, that's not a deal breaker. What matters is that you're learning the ropes on a camera that won't get in your way. For beginners who want something that feels easy but shoots like a champ, the R100 delivers. Next up is a filmmaker's best friend, the Panasonic Lumix S5 IIX. This camera is like having a mini production studio in your hands. It shoots 6K open, gate, ProRes RAW, and can even record directly to an SSD. That's not just convenience. It's the kind of workflow you see in pro sets. Panasonic has always had a reputation for stellar video, but they used to get slammed for their autofocus. Not anymore. The S5 IIX features phase detect autofocus that actually keeps up with fast-moving subjects. Add best-in-class image stabilization and a compact full-frame body, and you've got a hybrid monster that can switch from crisp stills to cinematic video in seconds. Some of the quirks? The buttons are a little hard to see in low light, and there's no tally light to show when you're recording. Still, if you're a content creator, YouTuber, or indie filmmaker, this camera offers an insane amount of power for the price. The Fujifilm X-M5 is one of the most compact mirrorless cameras on this list, and it's tailor-made for travel. Don't let the size fool you, though. It packs a 26.1 MP sensor, shoots high-quality 6.2K video, and includes those iconic Fujifilm simulations that make your photos look like they were shot on vintage film stock. Right out of camera, no editing needed. The dedicated film simulation dial is a nice touch, especially for creators who want to shoot, post, and move on. It's the kind of camera that slips into your backpack and disappears until you need it. The trade-offs? There's no in-body image stabilization, and it doesn't have a built-in viewfinder, which may bother seasoned photographers. But if you're used to composing shots on your phone screen, you won't even notice. For digital nomads, backpackers, or weekend wanderers, the X-M5 is your passport to beautiful memories. Now let's talk vlogging, and the Sony ZV-E1 is the undisputed champ in that space right now. Think of it as your personal cameraman. It's got a full-frame sensor, epic autofocus tracking, and a built-in mic that doesn't sound like you're talking through a tin can. It's compact, stylish, and built with creators in mind. Whether you're filming yourself walking through a city, doing sit-down talking heads, or making product reviews, the ZV-E1 keeps you looking and sounding sharp. Sony even pulled in tech from their high-end models, like AI-driven subject recognition from the A7 IV. Downsides? The still image resolution is only 12.1 MP, and if you use a larger lens, the tiny body can feel awkward to hold. But for creators focused mainly on video, this is one of the best investments you can make. That if budget is your biggest concern, meet the Olympus OMD M10 Mark IV, a camera that proves you don't have to spend a fortune to get something great. It's compact, retro-styled, and surprisingly powerful for the price. You get solid 20.3 MP stills, in-body stabilization, 4K video, a selfie-friendly flip-down touchscreen, and a lightweight Micro Four Thirds system that keeps your whole kit portable. It's even fun to use, with creative art filters and a mobile app that makes transferring photos a breeze. The smaller sensor does mean slightly less low-light performance compared to APS-C cameras, and the plastic build might not win any durability awards. But honestly, for everyday use, it's more than enough. Great for students, casual shooters, and anyone looking to get serious on a shoestring budget. Now, if you're a pro and you want the best of the best, meet the Canon EOS R5 Mark II. This camera is an absolute powerhouse. It captures 45 MP stills that can be upscaled to 180 MP using in-camera AI. That's not science fiction, it's just Canon flexing. It records 8K 60p RAW video and has one of the best autofocus systems ever put in a camera. The AI can track multiple subjects, predict motion in sports, and even prioritize specific faces. It's smart, rugged, and fully weather-sealed, built for pros who shoot in tough conditions. Wedding photographers, commercial shooters, and high-end videographers will love it. The only real drawbacks are the price tag and the limited third-party lens compatibility in Canon's RF mount system. But if you're already in the Canon ecosystem, this is the ultimate upgrade. Finally, the crown jewel of 2025, the Canon EOS R7. This is the camera that checks every box, and then some. You get a fast 30 frames per second burst rate, a crisp 32.5 MP APS-C sensor, dual card slots, killer autofocus, 4K video oversampled from 7K, and up to 8 stops of in-body stabilization. It's the spiritual successor to Canon's legendary 7D and 90D DSLRs, but better in every way. Thanks to its crop factor, your lenses get extra reach, which is a huge bonus for wildlife and sports shooters. Yet it's still compact enough to carry around all day. There's no full-frame sensor here, and the buffer could be a little bigger if you're shooting tons of high-speed bursts. But honestly, those are small gripes for a camera this well-balanced. It's perfect for intermediate shooters, content creators, hobbyists, and even pros looking for a second body. And there you have it, 8 mirrorless cameras that rise above the rest in 2025. Whether you're just starting out, going all in on content creation, or capturing moments that matter in high-stakes environments, there's a perfect pick waiting for you. From affordable to elite, lightweight to full-featured, this year's lineup is seriously impressive. And here's one last tip. Don't spend your entire budget on the body. Invest in good glass. Your lenses will stick with you a lot longer and make a bigger difference than you think. A great lens on a good camera can still produce phenomenal results. That if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, drop your favorite pick in the comments, and subscribe to Camera Search so you never miss another breakdown.